Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace a condenser fan motor on your refrigerator. The reason why you would have to do this is because either your fridge or your freezer sections are too warm. For this repair, you'll need a pair of wire cutters, a Phillips head screwdriver, and either a short Phillips head screwdriver or a ratchet with a 1/4-inch socket and a removable Phillips bit. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is our refrigerator model that we'll be using. Now, keep in mind that our fridge might be a little bit different than what you've got at home, but the same techniques should still apply. So after we've unplugged our refrigerator, we're going to pull it out and turn it around, because that's where we got to go. Our condenser fan motor is going to be towards the bottom here. We've got to take off this panel here, held in by a bunch of screws. So we'll start with this screw in the corner here, and we'll take all these out. And now that we have all the screws off, we can pull the panel out of place. Keep in mind the panel edges are sharp, so you're just going to want to be careful with that. The next thing I'm going to do is take this piece off, just to get it out of the way, make it a little bit easier to get in here. Alright, so now we're just going to unplug it. There we go, and set that off. And then what we're going to do, we're going to pop this right off. If you need to, you can get your screwdriver and use it for a little bit of leverage, but just hold this fan motor in place so you don't damage it. There we go. We can just pull that out and take this plastic piece off. So to get this out, what we have to do, push in on the locking tabs here. There we go. These are the locking tabs right here. So that's what we're working to pop off. So now we can set this off to the side. The next thing we have to do is take these two screws out here holding the motor in place. So to get these out, what I've done is put together a ratchet with a bit on it. Now you can also do this if you have a shorter screwdriver, but I don't have one of those. And now we're taking out the screw in the back. There we go. Now I'm going to use my wire cutters and just snip off these zip ties here. And now we can pull that down and unclip this. And we'll just pull this cover off here. And we'll untangle all of this. Now we can pull our fan motor off, and out right there. Now grab your new OEM replacement fan motor. If you don't have one already, you can get one from our online store. So now we're just going to feed this through here, just like this. And once you get it through, you can pull it the rest of the way out. Push the fan motor down right into those holes, and that clipped into place. So now we'll just put this cover back on here. You don't necessarily need it, but it is just something that they had on there to protect from water coming onto the cables. So now we'll plug this back in, and we'll just slide that up, and you can zip tie it back if you want to. There we go. So now we're going to screw this back in. There we go. So now we're going to put this piece back in, get everything lined up. All the clips are in place now, and we can just push it right down, just like that. And then we can get our screw and put that back in. Right in here. Alright, so now we can push the fan blade back on. There we go. Spin it just to check it. Now we're going to plug this back in. And line up the screw hole and we'll screw that back in. Now we'll just grab our panel again and we'll put that back on, lining up the two tabs right here, and just slide that on. Make sure you line up your holes, the first couple, and we'll get everything started. Put one at the top to hold it. Turn your fridge around, and then after you plug it in, your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.